Welcome to Learn You and Me. In Excel by default, developer tab is not active or visible in Excel ribbon as you can see. If you want to develop VBA or record macro, then developer tab activation is required because it contains various tools like macros, recording, activating add-ins, adding controls or objects like buttons, text box, combo box, option buttons, checkbox, etc. To bring developer tab, click on File tab, then click on Options, then click on Customize ribbon. Alternatively, you can right mouse click on any tab and select and click on Customize ribbon to directly bring Customize ribbon option. Here, click on Developer option and click on OK. Now you can see developer tab got visible. In this developer tab you can see record macros option, activate add-ins, also can add controls or objects like buttons, here adding checkbox, adding label, adding group box. Now you know how to add developer tab in Excel ribbon. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video then please subscribe, like, comment and share.